There is a story. There was a learned man who taught the people and held religious discourses with them. One day, the learned man's wife asked him, "What is the creator of sins?" The learned man could not reply, so he felt very sad and repentant and decided not to have meals at home without answering her question. The learned man's wife requested him to have his meal, but he didn't accept her request. She felt sad but kept quiet, thinking that he should try to find out the answer. He started for Kashi, the abode of learning. On the way, there was the house of a prostitute. She knew the learned man. She was surprised to see him perverted. She asked him why he was so perverted and where he was going. The learned man replied that he was going to Kashi to study and gain more knowledge because he couldn't answer the question asked by his uneducated wife. She wanted to know the question. He replied that the question was, "What is the creator of sins?" She said that she would answer the question, so he need not go to Kashi. The learned man thought that it would be good if she answered the question because it would save time and trouble, so he stayed there. The prostitute presented a 100 rupees note and requested him to take food at her house. She told him that he could cook the food himself if he desired so. On seeing the 100 rupees note, the man became excited and agreed. She cleaned the kitchen, put the raw material for food and requested him to cook himself. He said, "Okay." She again presented a 100 rupees note and requested him to oblige her by eating the food cooked by her. He agreed, thinking that there was no harm in doing so and will get 200 rupees. She prepared very delicious dishes, put before him and requested him to eat. In the meanwhile, she again presented a 100 rupees note and requested to have a morsel with her hand. He became glad to see 300 rupees in total and agreed. But as soon as he opened his mouth to have a morsel of food, she slapped him on his face and said, "Have you not yet come to your senses? Be aware, don't eat a grain of my house. I don't want to demoralize you. You wanted to know the creator of sins. Have you not read in the scriptures that the food of a prostitute is forbidden?" The learned man said, "Yes." She again said, "Then why were you prepared to eat it? You became greedy on seeing the money. Have you not had the answer to your question? Greed is the creator of sins. A man becomes out of his senses because of greed." My dear brothers and sisters, in Bhagavad Gita, Lord Shri Krishna has declared two kinds of attachment: worldly pleasures and accumulation of things for personal possession. Each of them blinds a man. If both of them are combined, they make the man totally blind. A man commits deadly sins because of them. He is prepared to do any action for the sake of worldly pleasures. My dear brothers and sisters, how long will these material possessions stay with you? How long will you live? The deadly sins committed by you will bear fruits. My dear brothers and sisters, a man blind by vision may take help from somebody to cross the busy road, but a man blind by intellect neither takes help nor he listens to anybody. A man, when becomes blind for the sake of gaining worldly pleasures and material possessions, does utmost harm to himself. He becomes the creator of sins. He becomes extremely proud when his mind is clouded up by the intoxication of his temporary material possessions. My dear brothers and sisters, we need some material possessions to live this life, but that too up to a certain limit. Extremity of material possessions is bad. Never forget this. I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching. Hare Krishna.